Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Eloquent CRUD operation. So let's see how can we perform CRUD operation using Eloquent in Laravel 8. So first of all, let's create controller. So switch to the command prompt and here just type command php artisan make colon controller. This is controller name. Let's say controller name is post controller. Okay, now press enter. Now let's create a model. So just type here PHP artisan make model. This is model name. Let's say model name is post. Also create the migration. So just write here dash m. Okay. Now press enter. Alright, model and migration both are created. So now switch to the project and just open the migration. So go to the database migration and just click on create post table migration. And here just add some column. So just write here dollar table arrow a string, add here the column name which is title table a string and body. Okay, now save this file and just copy this table name and go to the post model. So just go inside the app directory, then models, post, and here just add the table name. So just write here protected dollar table is equal to table name. Okay, so just paste here post. Now save this file. Now let's migrate the migration. So switch to the command prompt and here just type php artisan migrate. Okay, now press enter. Alright, now go to the post controller. So just close this and inside the http controllers and from here just open post controller. Inside the post controller, let's create methods for create post, get post, update post and delete post. Okay, so start with create post. So just add here a function public function name. Let's say function name is add post and inside this just write here return view and let's say view name is post add post. Okay, now let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php file. So just go inside the routes in web.php and here let's create a new route. So just write here route get and add here URI add post. Okay, and here just add the controller name. So just write here post controller then colon class then add the function which is add post. Okay, so just copy and paste here. Also import here post controller. So just write here use app http controllers and post controller. Alright, now save this file and let's create this view. So just copy this view name and just go inside the resource directory then views and here let's create a new file at post.blade.php. Okay, now just open this file and here first of all add the HTML5 boilerplate. So just type exclamation sign and press tab. Now change the title all post. Okay, now let's add the bootstrap for CDN. So just to the browser and just open get bootstrap.com. Now click on get started. and from here just copy the CSS CDN and just paste here. Now copy the JS and paste here. Now inside the body just add here a section, give some top padding, so just write here style padding top, it's a 60 pixel, and inside this section just add here container, then row, column, MD, 6, and also add the offset, so just write here call offset MD3. Okay, now add here the card header. Okay, and here just add the title, which is all post. Sorry, this is for the add post, so just add here add post, and also here add post. Okay, now just add here card body, and inside this just add the form, so just write here form method post. Now add here that CSRF at the rate CSRF, and inside this form let's create a input field for the title and body. Okay, so just write here form group, and add here the label for first, just add for the title, post title. Now add here the input field text, so just write here input type text, name is equal to title, and class form control, form dash control. Okay, and placeholder enter post title. Alright, now just close this. Now let's create another, just add here dot form group this tab. Now add the label for body, and add here text post description. Alright, now create here a text area field, so just write here text area, and name is equal to body, and class, let's say class is form control. Okay, and also set the row, so just write here rows, let's say 3. Alright, now create a submit button here, so just write here button type is equal to submit, and inside this just add here add post. Okay, now save this file. Now let's check this. So first of all run the application, so just write here php artisan serve, press enter. Now switch to the browser and just go to the URL add dash post. Okay, press enter, and you can see the form. Okay, let's add the class to the button. Okay, so here just add class btn success. Okay, now save this file and just refresh the page. Alright, now let's switch to the post controller, and here just create another function Just write here public function and function name, which is create post. Okay, and inside this just pass here request $request. Now here just add the post model, so just write here use app slash models slash post. Okay, now inside this create post form just write here $post is equal to new post and $post arrow title $request arrow title. Okay, now for the body just write here post arrow body and $request body. Okay, now call the save function, so just write here $post arrow save. Alright, now return a message, so just write here return back with, add here the key, so just write here post underscore created and just add here the message post has been created successfully. Alright, now let's create the route for this function, so go to the web.php and here just write route post and add here the URI. Let's say create dash post, add the controller name which is post controller colon class, add the function name which is this function create post. Now save paste here, also add the route name, so just write here post dot create. Okay, now save this file and let's copy this route name and go to the add post.blade.php and here inside the form just add here action double curly bracket route and just paste here the route name post.create. Alright, now let's print this message inside the add post.blade.php file, so just add here @if directive, then let's check session, if session has this key post created, so just paste here, then just create a alert div, so just write here alert success. Okay, and also set here the role alert, and inside this div just print here the message, so just write here session colon get, and inside this get just pass this key. Okay, post underscore created. Now just close the if directive, so just write here @ and if. Alright, now save this file. All done, so let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now enter the post title here, so let's say post title is first post title. Okay, and here first post description. Alright, now click on add post. You can see here post has been created successfully. Now let's check, so switch to the go to the php myadmin and just open database look Laravel 8 ProDB2. Okay, and inside this database just open post table. So just click on browse and you can see here the post. Now let's create another post. So just write here second post title. Okay, and here just write second post description. Alright, now click on add post. Post added. Just refresh the table and you can see the second post. Alright, now let's see how can we read the table records. So go to the post controller and here let's create another function for getting the record from the table. So just write here public function and let's say function name is get post and just add here dollar posts is equal to post and here just use order by clause and just write here id and let's get the descending order. Okay, now just call here get function. Now return or view and here just write the view's name which is posts and compact and inside this compact just pass this post variable. Okay, now let's create the route for this get post function. So go to the web.php and here just write route get and URI, let's say URI is post. Okay, and here add the controller name post controller colon class. Okay, add the function name which is get post. Okay, so just paste here. Alright, now save this file and let's create this view. So go to the web views directory and here let's create a new file post.blade.php. Okay, now go to the add post.blade.php file and select all text and just copy and paste inside post.blade.php file. Alright, now here change the title all post and here all post and now just remove all the text from the card body. So just remove this and here change the size 12 and remove the offset. Alright, now inside the card body let's add the table. So just write here table class is equal to table dash script. Okay, and here just add t head. Inside this t head just write here tr. Okay, then th and here just add the id, then post title and here just add the post description. Alright, and here let's just add t body. Now add here the for each directive. So just write here for each dollar posts as dollar post. Now add here the tr td and inside this td just write here double curly bracket dollar post arrow id. Okay, now just copy this and just paste 2 times and here add the title and here just add the body. Alright, now save this file. Now let's check this. So switch to the browser and just go to the URI post. Okay, now press enter and you can see here the all post. Okay, and here just create just add a link here for add new post. So inside this header just add here a link anchor tag href and just add here add post class btn uh, success. Okay, and just write here a text add new post. Okay, now save this file and just refresh the page. You can see here the link. If I click on this link, you can see here the add post form. Alright, now let's create another method for fetching the post by their ID. So go to the post controller and here let's create a function public function name. Let's say function name is get post by ID and just pass here the parameter ID. Okay, and here just add post is equal to post colon colon where and here add the column name which is ID and compare with this one, this ID. Okay, so just write here $id and call the first method. Alright, just return our view and view name, let's say view name is single post. Alright, and inside this let's write here compact and just pass here this post variable. Alright, now let's create the route. So go to the web.php and here just write route get URI posts slash pass the parameter ID. Now add the controller name which is post controller colon colon class. Add the method name which is get post by ID. So just copy and paste here. Alright, now go to the post .play.php and here just add the details link. So just add here action and inside this just add here anchor tag href posts. Okay, and add the ID here. So just write a double curly bracket $post arrow ID. Alright, add here the button class. So just write here class btn info. Okay, and here just add the text details. Alright, now let's create this view single post view. So just copy and just go to the views directory and here let's create a new file and single post.blade.php. Now go to the add post blade and just copy all text from here and just paste inside the single post. Okay, now here change the title post details. Okay, and also change the title here post details. Alright, now remove all the text from the card body and here just add the h1 tag and add here the post title. So just type here double curly bracket $post arrow title and add here the paragraph tag. Inside this just add here the post body. Okay, now save this file. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page, and you can see here the details button. Okay, if I click on this link, you can see here the post details page. Okay, uh, just add here 12 md12. Okay, and remove this object. Just refresh the page. Add post. Okay, inside the single post. All right, if I click on this link, you can yes, you can see here the first post, and if I click on this link, you can see here the second post details. Okay, all right, now let's see the next for delete the post. So just go inside the post controller, and here let's create a function for deleting the post. So just write here public function, and let's say function name is delete post. Okay, and here just pass the parameter id, and just write here post where id is equal to this one, $id. All right, this is $id, and here just call the delete function. Okay, and now just return back with, just add here the key post deleted. Okay, and simply add here the message post has been deleted successfully. Okay, now let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php, and here just write route get post posts delete post. Okay, so just write here delete dash post, and add here the parameter id, add the controller name post controller colon class, and add here the function name which is delete post. Okay, so just copy and paste here. All right, now just copy this URI and go to the post.delete.php, and here let's get another link for delete the post. So just write here delete post, and pass here the post id which is $post id. Okay, and here just add the class btn tensor. Okay, and here just add the text delete. All right, and inside this post.delete.php file just display this message after deleting. So just write here before the table @if session has this key which is post deleted. Okay, then just create alert div here. So just write here alert dot alert success. Also add the role alert. Okay, and inside this div just print the message here. So just write here session colon get, and just add here the this key post underscore delete. Okay, now just close the if directive, so just write here in div. Now save this file. All done. So let's check. So switch to the browser and just go to the URI post. Okay, you can see here the delete link. If I click on this link, you can see post has been deleted successfully. Okay, now let's see the update operation. So for that, just go to the post controller, and here let's create another function. Okay, function name is edit post, and here simply return. First of all, fetch the record. So just write here $post and let's write here find, and inside this just pass here the ID. Okay, inside this find just write here $ID, $ID, and here $ID. All right, now just return a view, and let's say view name is edit post. Okay, and here just write compact, and inside this just pass this post. All right, now create the route for this edit post function. So just copy this function name and go to the web.php, and here just write route get edit dash post, add here the ID parameter and controller name post controller colon class, and add here the function name edit post. Alright, now go to the post.blade.php file, and here let's create a link for the edit. So just write here anchor tag href edit post. So just write here edit dash post, and just pass here the post ID. So write here $post arrow ID class btn success. Okay, and just add here a text edit. Now save this file. Now let's create this edit post view. So go to the view directory, and here let's create a new file edit post dot blade dot php. Okay, now just go to the add post and just select all the text and copy and just paste it inside the edit post .blade.php file. Okay, now let's change the title edit post, also change here edit post, and here just remove this route. Okay, and inside this form just create here input type hidden field. So just write your type hidden. Okay, name is equal to id and value is equal to double curly bracket, and just write here $post arrow id. Okay, and just close this input hidden field. Okay, now inside the post title, just write here value double curly bracket dollar post arrow title, and inside the text area double curly bracket and just write here dollar post arrow body. Okay, now change here the button text, submit button text, so just write here update post. Okay, now let's check this. So go to the browser and just refresh the page. You can see here the edit button. If I click on this link, you can see here edit post form. Okay, now let's create a function for the update this record. So just go to the post controller and here just write a public function update post. Okay, and just add here request dollar request, and here just write dollar post is equal to post colon colon, uh, just write here find, and inside this just pass here dollar request arrow id. Okay, and dollar post arrow set the title, so just write your title request arrow title. Okay, dollar post for the body, just write here body dollar request body. Now call the save function, so just write here post arrow save. Okay, and simply return a message here, so return back, and here just write width and pass the key post underscore updated. Okay, and here just add the message post has been updated successfully. All right, now let's create the route for this. So go to the web.php file, and here just add route post and just write here update post. Okay, and add here the controller name post controller colon class, then add the function name, okay, which is update post. All right, also give the name here post dot update. Okay, now just copy this route and go to the edit post.blade.php file, and inside this form just add here route inside the double curly bracket route, and just write here post.update. Okay, and printing the message here, just copy this key post updated and just paste inside this. Okay, alright, now let's check. So switch to the browser and just go to the post URL, and here you can see edit button, so just click this and let's make some changes. So just write here 1. Now click on update post post has been updated. Okay, if I click go to the post route, you can see here post updated. Okay, let's add second post, title, second post description. Okay, click on add post, post added. Okay, if I click on delete link, record deleted. Okay, so in this way you can perform the CRUD operation using Eloquent in Laravel 8. So that's all about Eloquent CRUD operation. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.